everybody, it's your boy Ty, and today I'm back again with another video where I'm about to review one of the very special retro from the sneaker from the NBA guy, the NBA face. If you already know basketball, you know what I'm talking about. It's LeBron James Soldier Ones. 11 years later, same time, same day, same everything, which is where it's on. It was on Thursday, May 31st, where LeBron was wearing the Soldier Ones. He scored about 48 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists. He only scored 25 straight. The series was 2-2, and Cleveland go 2-3. From that, Nike decided to release his first Soldier retro the same day, same almost everything, but a different year. 11 years later. Right now we got the LeBron Soldier C16, 25 straight. This is the nickname. It goes for $150. The color, it's midnight navy, white, and you can see the bust. It's very special. You can see the studs. You already know. And let's see what's in there. They got the card. If y'all want, it's kind of blurry. You can see it. That's the card, and I'm not gonna read it. It's gonna take too long. And the tissue is really nice. You can see the same print they got in outside. You know, as you can see up here, you can see it from. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. Same here. And here the big boy. Put it on the side. And this is the shoe guy with 2 stripes. You know how LeBron loves them shoes. The Soldiers always got stripes. That's the one he decided to play. I would say the most like he always played with the Soldiers during the finals. He always played with them. And this is the old logo, LBJ23, the king. And on the tongue you got the lions right there, face, and the stripes with the Nike swoosh. And number 23. The leather on there not that big. It's kind of stiff. And now you can see the LRJ. This is the crown, which still really means the LeBron crown. The new logo you got right now. The other pair with the trophy. It's really nice. And back of the heel you can see LeBron James. The logo here again. To be honest with you though, I always wanted to have one so bad, but here they are right now. They're coming back. His first, I would say the second retro. The first one was the Zoom generation. You know, this is the second one. So inside with the 16, you already know. And the inside of one says the associations. And the other pair, you can see his playoff stats in there, the way he was killing every team right now. I felt bad. I was so happy when he was beating the Pistons just to go to the final and then get swept. I was crying so hard to see this boy was going off. Can't even get one game. LeBron been dogging himself since, I would say, since 2007, just to be the man of the NBA. You know, since then, man, he been doing it. Just like this year, then he had to going off. He went off playing 48 minutes straight just to beat the Boston. But you know what I'm saying? LeBron always be the guy. Even you can put this guy on any team, he'll make it to the final. But here the shoes, y'all. I always want to have one so bad that I'm about to throw it in my food to let you know guys how it fits. But I already did it, and it fits you the size. So you're gonna head up to see the next videos coming. I would say Sunday morning, because I got a lot to do. And like I said, if you like what you just saw, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe for new, you know what I'm saying? And